Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I Love 164. And yes, you must be thinking why there's nothing here. I'm going to show you guys in a moment. You guys remember we have did an unboxing for awesome Lamborghinis where we have opened this as well. Yes. Take a guess what we are going to do the unboxing for today. Of course, none other than but our favorite Lamborghini Urus Performante. And not just that. Look at this Evo. We are going to open this as well. And not just that. We are going to open this beautiful Lamborghini Huracan GT3. Actually, I had these cars, but I was not having this in my hands. So I thought when I'll get the Urus, I'll do the unboxing for these three babies. So let's open one up. Put the other two on the side. I'll open this one first. It's a Liberty Walk, Silhouette Walks Lamborghini Aventador GT Evo 3. It's a matte black. It's not just a car, it's a beauty. It's a love for automobile fans, for the car fans, for the Lamborghini fans, for the Huracan fans. This is something. I think I did not get it right. I hope it. I don't want to put anything else than this plastic. And the knife is not working too much. Cutter. I should say cutter. It's a cutter, not a knife. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What a beautiful car it is. Look at this. This is matte black. It looks more like a Batman car. It looks like the Batman is going to come out and going to say, I'm Batman. Let's put this on the turntable. Close review on this. Who would have thought that these Lamborghinis are going to be one of the favorites for the collector? Especially if I talk about a collector like me. I have nothing to say about this car. It is all matte black, pure black in color. There is no deco on it and nothing yet. It is amazing. It is so amazing. Looks dope. Looks so dope. And I really like the spoiler on this one. With the Liberty Walk logo on the number plate. And you can see the logo of Lamborghini on the front as well. Now let's move to the next one. So that was your beautiful Lamborghini Aventador GT Evo. And let's move to the next one now. Initially I was thinking to open this in the last one, but actually it is always tough to open these blisters. So let's cut this open. This is an easy one. Wow, this car is like one of the most anticipated cars for me, and when it came out I missed this. somehow. The market of this car is so high that I had to buy this by paying a very huge price, but it was worth it. It was worth it. Let's put this on top table. I'll put this one here. Okay. Put this here first. And this here. Yeah. So this is your Huracan with the gear logo on the front, and there are so many detailings. This is actually, it looks more like directly coming out from the comic book or something. This looks cool, man. This is so cool with all these colors: orange, green, yellow, blue. I think Lamborghini should make these cars more often so that the prices of these cars would not hike this much and the collectors would not have to pay very much in the, when at the secondary market resellers. So this is very high right now, and you guys can see why it is, right? This car is a beautiful piece of art. This is actually a piece of art. And talking about the piece of art, let's move to the next one. So guys, that was your Lamborghini GT3 Evo. And now let's move to this big boy. Look at that. Look at the card art. It's a limited edition. 1 out of 3,000. Lucky me, I have one. So as you guys know, I'm going to cut this open off camera and I'll show you. So without cutting my fingers, I have opened this up. Let me show you the box first. See that bright color, man. And here's your car. I don't care much about these boxes. I only care about these beautiful cars. And they are worth caring for. See the bottom. See the top. See the convoy I have in the background for all these Urus. And now I have this beauty. Let's put this on turntable. Let's put this here and put this car here in the race. So finally, the line on the bottom of my case is going to be complete with the Urus only. I have 4 of them actually, and now this is the 5th one I'm going to add up. This Rosso Mars color of the Lamborghini is like the best color, and this Rosso Mars with the black wheels, or either it's the black hood, it's top, it can literally top anything, any color, any make is making, any car company is making. This looks perfect, more than perfect. This looks sick, man. Look at this car. This is so clean with the carbon fiber detailings on the side, on the rear, and on the hood, and rest is just red Rosso Mars color. I really love these wheels, man. I really love these Lamborghini wheels. This looks dope. So guys, that was your Lamborghini showcase for today, which have ended with this amazing Urus. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.